Hello everyone, I am Dattatrayanikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda, new day, new topic. And our today's topic is Project Management, Authority and Responsibility Part P3A. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to the topic of project engineering, fundamentals and instrumentation and control engineering. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is project management, authority and responsibility part P3A. Introduction to project authority and responsibility. Any project always has a temporary goals and objective that are to be achieved through teamwork by completing the assigned task. The proper definitions of the following elements, that is authority, responsibility and accountability, are required to have a clear and precise project management. One can see below picture where the elements are defined. Now we will see the details or their definition. Authority is the power given to a person to act and make decision within boundaries. Responsibility is carrying out the specific delegated task. Accountability means being liable for actions and decisions. The manager, authority, responsibility and accountability. A person is expected to act without any specific guidance from a superior authority. This position in an organization is designated as a manager. A manager is a person who can take decision on his own, can be trusted to make such decisions and held liable for his decisions. The manager with a defined objective, goal and responsibility to achieve the targets, to meet the targets and take required action is called the project manager, who is held responsible or be a successful leader to manage the defined task with stipulated timeline. Roles and responsibilities of a project manager. A project manager should have fixed roles and responsibilities, such as the design and development of a project, its execution and implementation, which mainly include: first, defining and maintaining the integrity of a project; second, development of the project execution plan; third, organizational execution of the plan; fourth, setting targets and developing system and procedure to accomplish the project objectives and target; fifth, negotiation for commitment; sixth, direction, coordination and control of a project activities; seven, contract management; eight, non-human resource management including fiscal matter; nine, projecting and problem solving; 10, personal management. This is all about the roles and responsibility of a project manager. And to be a success project manager, one should understand the elements of the project management, that is authority, responsibility and accountability. In this video we have covered introduction to the authority, responsibility and accountability, the project manager and roles and responsibility of a project manager. This video will help you to understand a role of project manager under project management. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.